In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings on Indeed.com to better suit your preferences. Whether you're looking for jobs internationally or simply prefer browsing in a different language, adjusting your language settings can immensely enhance your browsing experience. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll be confident in managing your Indeed language preferences. To begin with, you'll want to start by navigating to Indeed.com. Once you're there, you'll notice a variety of options that are tailored to help you in your job search. But today, our focus is on personalizing your experience by changing the language setting. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see a section labeled Preferences. Clicking on this will take you to an area where you can customize various aspects of your Indeed account, but for now, we are specifically interested in the language settings. Once you're on the Preferences page, the language option should stand out quite clearly. It's usually placed prominently so that you can make adjustments without any hassle. Now click on the language option. Here, you'll see a list of available languages. Indeed caters to a wide audience and supports multiple languages to ensure users from different parts of the world can comfortably navigate their site. So take your time browsing through these options and select the language that best suits your needs. Changing the language settings is as simple as selecting your preferred language from the drop-down menu. Once you make your selection, the website should automatically update and reflect the changes in real time. You'll notice that all the text across the site shifts to your chosen language, making it easier for you to understand and maneuver through different job postings and application processes. After you've made your choice, you might want to double-check to ensure that everything is displaying correctly in your preferred language. Browse through a couple of pages, maybe view a job listing to confirm that all sections are translated appropriately. If for some reason the changes do not reflect immediately, try refreshing your browser or clearing your cache to prompt the update. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language settings on Indeed.com. Adjusting these preferences not only enhances your browsing experience, but also saves time as you search and apply for jobs. Remember, you can always come back to the Preferences page if you ever need to make changes again in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to explore other settings within the Preferences page to further personalize your Indeed experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, do check out the Help section on Indeed's website, and happy job hunting!